Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create an Apollo.io account. Let's get started. First, go to apollo.io. Next, type in an email you want to use in this field, or you may also choose to log in using your Google or Microsoft accounts. After that, you will be answering some prompts Apollo has for you. Start with what best describes you and what you will be using Apollo for. And after that, click on Continue down here. Next prompt is about what you would like to do with Apollo. Pick from the recommended options or from the other ones below. Then click Continue again. Next prompt is about your skill level on sales tech. Then click Continue again once you're done. The next prompt is optional. It's about if you want to link your Apollo.io account to other tools you may be using, like Outlook. If you don't want to link anything, just click on Skip right here. Last prompt is about the first step you want to take before finally using Apollo. Then click Continue again. And with that, you have successfully created an Apollo.io account. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.